So we're hiking just before sunrise. I know it looks like it's bright, but it's not really. And we just started walking towards the trailhead, and elk from last night are still in the field. They're just bedded down, so Ben's gonna try to grab a shot of them laying down.
I don't feel like there's any cool way to put on crampons. You just kind of look like an idiot doing it every time.
Elk poo. You see the elk tracks?
Yeah. I think those are up trails. Good morning and welcome to Rocky Mountain National Park. It's pretty much another day of hiking for us. Check out that sunrise. It's pretty nice, huh? We're taking a little lesser known trail today, known as, what is it, Deer Lake?
Deer Mountain Loop.
Deer Mountain Loop. So we're gonna go up to the top here, and I think there's a little river at the end of it. It's only about a, what, 3.8?
It's about 2.8, I think.
Well,
we did a little extra,
well,
so
we
it's
had
a little over 3.
Yeah, ours is just a little bit over 3 because we had to walk down the road, because in the winter the road is closed. Man, just look at that sunrise. It's a little cloudy today, but that kind of makes that sunrise pop. All right, well, it's time for us to keep trekking. I just want everybody to hear how quiet it is out here. Hi.
Hi. We came to kind of like a little grove area.
It's a clearing.
And it's really pretty. It's definitely where the elk hang out because there's a lot of elk poop and tracks. So they probably come up here during the day and then go back down to the fields at night.
That was rough.
He keeps falling into the snow, I think because his pack is so heavy. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a coyote walking across the field out there.
He's right by that tree.
Yeah, he's by the tree. All the way. There's a little tree in the middle of that field, and there's a tiny dot next to it. That's the coyote. Now there's 2 of them. All right, so we're back. We're back on the trail, and we just stopped because we saw some coyotes, and we got a bunch of footage of coyotes. They're really funny.
Some of them were digging holes. At one point, they were rolling in the snow. I don't think I got that on film.
Yeah,
But
I think they're probably what, like 100 yards?
oh, further than that, way further.
You think more than 100 yards?
Yeah, at least 300, just because of how far that lens was.
Oh.
Well, I mean, they're at the
That's
close.
900 feet.
Yeah, well,
That's a long ways.
at the closest thing, they were probably 150 yards.
Okay.
But they started out pretty far, and they got.
Yeah. So we got a bunch of footage of that, and then we saw a bunny earlier. But we're almost halfway through the hike, and we're gonna keep going. I think it's mostly downhill from here, so that'll be nice.
I think it's in some tree cover, so it'll be a little bit colder.
Yep.
Alrighty. I think we found our resting rock.
I like this one.
Okay. That's fine. The snow gets really deep on this trail in some places. It's like 4 or 5 feet deep. So if you fall through, you fall a long way.
These dang elk have made the hole so deep that you just fall right through.
Yeah, blame it on the elk.
This is gonna be rough.
Oh, that's bad. Kind of fun, huh?
It's rough. We're almost there. Ah! Ben's falling.
Alrighty, we made it back to the beginning.
Yeah, now we just have to walk out to the road.
Back to the car. Let's go. I can really hear that wind. So it actually looks like they plowed this road while we were on the trail. As we hiked up here.
This is a closed road.
Yeah, it's closed. But as we hiked up here, we had to walk up through like a bunch of snow.
A couple feet.
Yeah, and it looks like they plowed it all now, and a lot easier to walk back, that's for sure. Just to get an idea of how much snow. There's probably a good, what did you say, 2 feet?
Yeah, probably 2 feet.
2 feet of snow on the road that they moved while we were hiking. I'll take that. It's made the hike back a little bit easier, so not to complain.
Alright, so we made it back to the car. We're on our way back to the apartment, and I think we're just gonna shower, clean up, and go grab some lunch. We might eat out today and go find something good to eat, so I don't really know what we're doing for the afternoon, but we'll figure it out.
Thank you, have a good one.
Welcome back. We took the afternoon off and just kind of laid around and didn't do much after our hike and lunch. But now we're going out to Mary's Lake, which is basically an alpine lake, but it's at a lower elevation, so it's not frozen like the other ones we've seen. So we'll go there for a few minutes, and then we're probably gonna go drive into the park again for sunset, get some scenery in, maybe some more photos, if we can find something we haven't taken a photo of yet.
Sheep. give me
sheep. We want to see sheep, yes, mountain sheep. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Tighten my hat. Wind's pretty strong.
Oh, that water's freezing. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking that's just like a water intake, or maybe like a water reservoir, some sort. So we tried to find like a little spot out of the wind here, but hello everybody and welcome to Mary's Lake. I actually think it's like a reservoir of some sort. I'm gonna have to look it up and I'll try to put something down in the video when we show this. See what it was. All right.
Yep.
On to the next thing. Ready? So, Enos Mills, thanks Wind. Enos Mills, I guess, is the father of Rocky Mountain National Park. He basically went to Congress with the idea that Long's Peak and the surrounding area should be preserved. Congress approved it. Denver pretty much considers him the father of Rocky Mountain National Park. It was actually posted in the Denver Post.
I think that's it for today. Like always, if you like this content and you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. And feel free to comment down below if you want to know any more information about our trip. I like to kind of try to answer some of those questions. Hopefully it will help you if you're ever planning a trip like this. And I guess that's it. So we will see you guys on the next one.